morning, you guys. This is the look for today. Actually, so thank you guys for your support. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. I have to be, I don't know, I'm not quite sure what to do with this algorithm, so all I'm going to ask you guys to do at every single video is ask you guys to subscribe. Remember to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, can you unsubscribe, refresh, then resubscribe? Please unsubscribe, refresh, then resubscribe. Please, 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 so that everything is like nice and fresh. Okay. And yeah, thank you so much for your support, you guys. This is because the hair portion has been done so many times. I'm actually late now, which I've said in the video, so I'm finna go. Bye, you guys. I so love your support. This one is, I just can't wait to get my lashes. Alright guys, I'm using the front facing camera. I don't know if you guys can hear me well. I'm actually running late, and I'm never running late. I'm hiking nervous. So I just went to do like, I had something planned in mind, but I won't be able to execute the look I wanted to. So you're going to see me do like a normal look on myself. This is what I would call normal. I'm not saying it's normal for anybody else except me. And prior to the video, I actually glue my, my sureness, I'm glue down my brows. I'm use the Gorilla Glue. Yeah, Gorilla Glue. So this is what I do to get to draw the shape of the brow. And after I've drawn the shape of the brow, then I go in with the colors that I use to get to apply color. Now I have, as I've said in my vlog before, I don't know if this is going to go up first or the vlog, my skin has gotten completely out of control. I've been doing what I would do normally, but wow, I don't know, I didn't want to say this on camera, even though I don't want to say this on camera, but because of what's happening, my skin is reacting. So my hormones are completely all over the place. Remember that I say I go twice a month for my period. So I have this skin issue twice a month. Now I do recognize that if at least once a month of the month, my skin is not that bad. But once out of the month is really bad. Like when it's my real menstrual cycle, my skin is really bad. And when it's the stress menstrual cycle, my skin doesn't react. Or vice versa. When it's the stress menstrual cycle, my skin reacts. Or I don't know which is which. Alright. I don't think it's a case where you're being punished or singled out. I think it's a case of you're just not them, or we're just not them. So yeah, our curiosity will lead us to do things that, we want to try, but after trying, you would say that it's not for you, right? And then you can now make your independent decision whether or not you want to stay with that thing, continue that thing, still go to that job, whatever the case may be. Because the aim in life is to constantly elevate, and I don't think that is taught to us. They teach that to us when we've gotten to a point in life when we're tired of life. Like when they're a job for certain, you have to say them something to encourage yourself. I want us to remember that the job that you're in now that you want to leave, this was never your position when you had that job or before that job, when you had no job. That was never your position. Your position was, you got a job, you have to go do your resume, you have to go buy work clothes, you have to go get one tie, you have to get one shoes, you have to go borrow money so you can buy one shoes. And when you get paid, you get paid by the person. Don't think that to say? Alright then. So now when you reach the job now and you're all this excited and everything, and then you start work and you think up and so, and you recognize that you start to decline, whether your energy is getting depleted, you don't show as much enthusiasm as you did for work. That's because your environment has changed you. Because prior to getting to that, and prior to being in that environment, you were all set and psyched and ready for work, but you got there, you see all things running, and say, no, I'm not but I put out so much energy, and you changed yourself. When I look on it, so you're more quick to look at us as I'm going to say influencers, but yeah, us as not us, let me say me. Cause enough people as influencer be like them telling you, and because on used to the lie, on sit down and defend it. So me can't have no conversation with una at all. But yeah, so whenever so it changes you. Your environment changed you, and you're not going to admit it, but it did. Anything can change you. Anything can change you, and what I'm recognizing is that anything can change you if you allow it. Now that's a hard pill to swallow, because I feel a lot of times that I don't have a choice, and if I don't react in this particular way, the smart gonna continue to take me for idiot. If I don't react in this particular way, then they won't know that I am serious. And honestly, all those train of thoughts, it makes sense because of the world that we're living in. It makes sense because you constantly have to be guarding ourselves even against our loved ones. Like, it makes sense. When you are me and you want... When you're me and you want to know God, Abba, Yeshua, for yourself, Adonai, for yourself, you do some things that you don't want to do because it's not the norm. The God of this world has literally blinded our minds, or minds, or minds, or minds, or minds. We have been cultured and taught that unless we look a particular way, speak a particular way, that Jesus will not have an audience with us. We have been told, we have been taught that unless we go down a particular road, that God will not listen to us. Now, I am going to say this. In the Bible, you have horrible men. One being Paul. I'm telling you how I feel about Paul already. I'm telling you, I can never understand why God would use a man like Paul, who Jesus... Paul walk and kill people, brother. It was his... I don't know if it was his joy, but he did it because of the religious people, Who was Paul? Was it the Jews that he was killing? The term wasn't Christians. The term wasn't Christians. But when Jesus spoke with Paul, he said, Paul, why are you persecuting me? Me. Not why are you persecuting the Christians? Why are you persecuting the Jews? Why are you persecuting the Pharisees and the Sadducees? Jesus asked Paul, why are you persecuting me? Because yes, you are murdering these people, but me I persecute. Because if you think that the connection, and it's not even a tether that you have to Jesus, if you think that that raw connection is not real and is not felt by him, you are definitely mistaken. I've recognized in depression that what it does, it separates you from people. I've recognized that in depression, you will not ask for help. I've recognized that in depression, there is only one way out. I have recognized that. Oh, as a 37-year-old woman, no way out. I have been there. But God, I think some care how I look like too, how I sound like too, I don't care about going to heaven, I not care. I not care about going to heaven, brother. I'm not living to go to heaven. Let me rephrase. I'm not living to go to heaven. And that's where the awareness comes in. I want to go to heaven and rest. Tired. Even though Jesus said, give it to me because this is lighter. Even though Jesus said, ask and it shall be given. Even though him say he will raise up a standard against you. Even though him say you're not gonna buck your foot against a stone. Even though him say all you have to do is ask and it will be given. Even though him say the plan him have for you, it make you prosper, it give you hope, it give you a future, it don't make you satisfied, it don't make you depressed, it don't make him say him know everything. And that the man say, if you would just open the book, my God, Jesus Christ, you will understand why I am. No, you're not going to understand why I am who I am, but you'll understand God where you are. you'll be able to, you'll understand God, yeah, where you are. You'll understand you where you are. Me alone, I'm not a good person. I've been to some places mental. I'm like, "Oh, okay, I had no idea I could go there. Thank you, Jesus. I didn't know, because I just didn't know I could go there. But I did, bro. Yo, like this is, look there. Brother. And then this eyebrow is just wrong. And I just know I'm gonna be late. 5:37. Oh no. I can be done quickly. Alright. And my brushes are still wet. I'm so annoyed. Alright, I'm gonna use that one. Yeah. I can't believe I'm doing like a chit chat get ready with me. That's so cool. So I don't have to add no music or nothing. They're so cool. Oh, and these products are using, I'm from Sasha Cosmetics. But I'm telling you why I'm not call Sasha name on my video. Because I've been alright them, you know, and say, hey guys, I'm on YouTube and I'd love to work with it. I do use your products. I ain't gonna hold you. And I even said, you know what? If you guys don't respond, it's fine. I still use the stuff. I just won't say it in my videos. So I'm saying it here once and only once. And even if they respond, I mean, it's okay. I still go and buy. I still use a product in my kit. It's a damn good product. It's so patchy. I don't know why it's coming off so patchy. So my classes are in Bridgeport, Connecticut, and in Long Island, New York. I am excited about the classes. Also, one thing I want to say, not one. Wait there. My wash. But I make coffee and I'm drinking. I wash one brand new sponge, you know. I know I know wait them. Okay, so for my classes, I do not want to go in depth with what I'll be teaching, but I'll tell you exactly what I'll be teaching. No, I'm just telling my teaching methods, not what I'll be teaching, but my teaching methods. Now, what I'll be teaching is extremely important. And what I'll be teaching is that the general basics of makeup, okay? Fine. I do have my own techniques that I implement, that I use, that I don't make public anywhere, for the sole reason that I do have classes. You know what I mean? And there has to be some value attached to the skills that I provide, as well as, what is this? What is not good on? Oh. Okay, so I forgot to say, for the classes, teaching for the classes, I am doing classes Long Island, New York, and Bridgeport, Connecticut in March and in April. The last part of March into the beginning of April. Yes, so those are my classes. They're certified. I do have uncertified classes as well. The classes are only 10 students though, you guys, and 10 students one, because I was thinking about how I can make it a little bit more, how I can how to not have anxiety over the classes. Because when I have the classes and I said 30 students, I get really nervous. I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to fill 30. Now whenever I put like a figure like that, like amount of students, obviously I have like a plan, right? So I'm like, bro, I really hope that figure is good. I really hope nothing is messed up or whatever. But it makes me nervous. So I thought, you know what, let me break it down. Let's still do 30 students, but at different times. Let's do 10. And when I got that idea to kind of calm down my anxiety, then I recognized that by doing it that way, then I'm sticking in the COVID protocol, which is still a thing, and it's just more intimate. We work faster because it's 10 students, and each student, it's going to be 5 eventually that I'll be teaching, because my methods are this. I hit the ground running with my classes. I don't wait at all. I guarantee you, within the first hour, you have already learned something tangible. You have already learned something physical that you can do, as in skill. I'm sorry, you've learned a skill within the first hour. I do not spend the time talking. You guys see who I am on YouTube, which will give you a very good insight of my classes. yeah, I do speak fast, but I also recognize and I also slow down, as well as I give a lot of examples when I'm teaching as well. And that just lends, because I'm aware that people learn differently. So whenever I'm teaching, I try to implement those skills that I have to get to the student that I need to get to. You see me? So yeah, I love how I teach, because every time I do it, it's like me either knock off an extra 10 minutes or half an hour. And then even the students are, it depends on the students as well, because as long as you have that passion, you know, like me can work with you blouse and skirt, me left it. As long as you have the passion, make your work. If I'm explaining to you what I mean by that, as long as you have the passion. Because you see, if you want to do it, you gotta do it, you know. If you want to do something, you gotta do something you want to do, don't it? So if you have a passion for makeup but you don't really try get it, you tried it yourself, the eyebrow too, eye this too, you can't match your foundation, but you try no, you try. That's all I want to know. It's because of how much it's because of how much more believe in a God, and how much me understand him, and by understanding, like, become more understand myself and how me behave also, so me can kind of understand you guys in terms of like a general study. So what I mean by that, I've seen, what this broke up, I've seen students who don't know nothing about makeup, and I'm not even joking, nothing about makeup, and within the first hands-on session, them surprise themselves, not because their work is like mine or like another student's, or because they're not because their blending is impeccable either, but because a little bit of them do, them never know what them could have do. You see them like a baby step there, you see when I take them baby step there, you see the bigger one them, it got hard, you know, but not as hard. Like I say, you know, so me take one baby step, and depending on who you are, you might try or you might not try, depending on who you are, because your success, your livelihood, your survival, your life is really and truly dependent on who you are. What kind of person are you? Are you the type of person who do anything to get your way? Are the type of person to say, well, me go through this long enough, so she must go through it too? Are you that kind of person? Are you the kind of person for if somebody need help, you gotta stop do what you do for help that somebody there? Are you the kind of person when they need up on the road, yeah man, I go boy your business and so I'm gonna say something, I'm not gonna say it again on YouTube. Come on now, look nothing from nobody. Here I have, on more than one occasion, and it happens when I have money. Whenever I have money, I love to help people. Whenever I have money, especially elderly people. I don't know what it is about me, but if I see one mama on the road, one papa on the road, especially mama, I know papa look me off, you know. I don't know. Jamaican men, top tier, bro. Top. Them gonna look here, you know. You try it, stand up and take look, my love, or you walk off and still get look. Baby, you gonna get look. If you want you, you're gonna try really hard. You not see the impossibilities. I'm just you in a bed. That's all. That's all, baby. Don't be offended. Don't be offended. I forgot what I was saying, but yeah. Bye. I hate this eyebrow and my hairs are showing through. Oh, I need to add more color. That's what I need to do. I need to add. No, I'm not gonna add any more color because I am late. It is now 5:47. He's coming at 6:15. Oh my gosh. I am vlogging today, you guys, so stay tuned for the vlog. What else have I covered? What else have I covered? What I need to talk about? I don't like this brush I'm using, you know, for my face. This, I'm a girl who pushes my foundation in powder in. You guys know this about me. I don't like, I push it into my skin. No, last night blouse and skirt, me wash my brush them. And me shirt keep me dead. The fan I go dry it by today. Brush them with CMA love. No, not wet, but it's like damp and just like them brusher. The more flare up brush, so like the tighter brush them. Oh yes, I was talking about my classes, right? So I would usually, yeah, so that's what I would do. Have the 30 and have my goals and my quotes and whatever. So this time I just wanted to go smaller, more intimate, and in that way too I won't have to be in any issue to find a location, because even if I'm staying at an Airbnb, if it's just like 10 of us, if the Airbnb is big enough, then all of us can be in there, you know. I wouldn't have to do a hotel. So everything I'm trying to do, I'm trying to be honest, to cut the cost, to be honest, because the classes aren't as expensive as the classes I've done in years before. And that has a lot to do with the location, that has a lot to do with products, that has a lot to do with everything. So this time I want it to be affordable. I want my classes to have this kind of price point as well, which is why I'm working adamantly to get my own stuff. You know, when I have my own stuff, when I have these I don't have to be cutting corners so that I charge you less. I don't have to be making less money so that you don't have to pay so much. That makes sense? Because unless it's at a certain price point, I won't quote unquote make money or profit. But I don't want to do that. And because I have other businesses, I try to focus on the other businesses to make the profit and whatever. So I'm not fair I dig out one business. Yeah, that makes sense. So that's how that's what I've been doing. So the POMI fitness belts, no, those we definitely have. And I ship via Knutsford. I ship online via my website, shop.lyric.com. And oh, and for my website too, you can register for my classes on my website, as told by lyric.com. And I also want to just say this briefly. I think I said it before, but I really want to do a Fix Your Crown Sis event that is geared towards entrepreneurship. And yeah, and I'm not sure what the price point going to be. Want it to be like something cheap, probably 200 or like 200 or something, because this is something that you'll have to invest in for yourself. So I have to think about, and then I want to think about speakers as well. I want to be encouraged. So I might think about all them something them. I want to tell them something I think about. But as of now, my classes are what I'm excited about, you guys. And thank you for your support. Thank you for sharing, for following. Thank you for looking at the website. Thank you for your feedback. Read the websites. I built those 2 websites myself. I've endured sleepless nights, a lot of sleepless nights. I didn't even know that I struggled with insomnia until mostly like a couple months or last year or so. It's just been really bad. So yeah, they're up and running. I'm trying to do a really simple look. I don't want to go too much. I really want it to be warm. I want it to be warm. By warm, I mean I don't want the black to be as black. I want it to be brown black. So the black is underneath. So just going to layer with the brown. Go on top. And like pat it down. So it's brown, and then see? Yeah. I want it to be warmer. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have music coming out, you guys, and I really want to release it around Valentine's time. That may prove it difficult. I don't know if I'm going to release visuals or something. I don't know how I'm going to do that, because Valentine's is next week. I have thought of nothing. I have not edited anything, and I think it's something that I'm going to have to work on by myself. This is not working out. I really don't like my eye makeup. Holy Spirit, help me. I don't like my eye makeup. When I don't like my eye makeup, I get really sad, and then because of today, I just don't want to be distracted. I'm just going to do my eyes now. What is name under your so? This lower lash line. God would clot. Where is everything that needs to be in its place? So, watch my bag on the ground. No. You know why I don't do talking videos? Because the fan is usually on. And the only reason now why I think I'm doing this talking video is because honestly, I don't know if we're hearing the fan or not. That you know me and blind me. But no fan or not. But I'm assuming no, because the fan the up this so and then only the down just in a one part. Run the down just in a one part. So I'm not thinking that something. I like the little setup here. The only thing is, I mean, it's just I may have to redo the room or redo a seating situation under here. Well, and then I come, I do under right. Me can talk to none of this blouse. And me a superhero. Me's a superhero. Yeah, as my rest now, like how this I want get ready with me all over the place. Blood cleans me, blind again. Is it that I just have one eye? What the plan of the Lord of my life? One eye, Father God, tell me, tell man. Tell me if I uno ayo. Right, so Jolly. Hold on. Oh God. My nose just shoot booger a while ago. I don't know why I'm saying this because you never know. Blouse cup. Blouse cup. Alright, then I'm gonna use this. You see with this this pencil, this eye pencil, this I think this is LA girl. Gyal. Remember that song there? If you're Jamaican, brother, it body afraid. It's like a coal pencil, but just bomb. Let me see if I can find it back. Blood scope. Blood cleans everything that should. No, why my life stays so. Every time I try to do something, if Malcolm. Here it am. Sit here. LA girl is illegal. LA girl. It name Showtime or Showstop or Show something. It name Blackout. GP740 Blackout. GP740 Blackout. Girl. Bad. Really bad. Okay. So I'm done. I'm going to be doing my lashes. No, I want to put something under your so. I take it off Daniel. I feel nervous. A fright. Purple. Blue. No. Green. Nah. Let's do orange. Orange. Pink. And because the black is underneath, the pink is going to appear a little bit darker, which is fine because I'm also deliberately putting it on my skin, which would automatically make it be lighter. So it's going to be like an ombre effect. Because look at this. I don't know if, oh, alright. Just by me pulling it down, it's kind of like smoking out. So the more I pull it down, the more it's a little bit smoked out. So it's getting less. I'm going to take this brush. Get rid of under here first. Make it a little bit blended. Clean off. And then just go on top and sweep. So the reason I'm sweeping is because I want to get this color blended with the black. So I'm going to use a dense brush. Repack the pink. Clean off that dense brush. Then I'm going to go with a... What the next brush? That brush. This I want elf brush. But I want a stiff one. Then I'm going to do the purple. The reason why I'm going to do the purple is because I like how pink and purple looks. I remember so when I have no rhyme or reason why I do makeup, I just put it on as it. So. See? Yeah. Oh, no, I'm going to do over here, say it. Alrighty. Let's just blend out the list. So all makeup and tools are absolutely provided for my classes. Everything is provided. The only thing you need to do is show up. The dress code is absolutely full black. I did not make that on the website because I can say that in a video. And I'm going to be working back on my website, you guys. I want to add some stuff on there that's more for my website. That's just exclusively on my website, like my music. When my music drops, it's going to be exclusively on my website. I want to be able for you to be I want you to be able to purchase it on my website, so I can figure out how that's done and get it done. And yeah, I want to see if I can first listen, like have you guys be first listen, like listen to it first, but still I don't know. I have to think about marketing now, and that's high key making me nervous because well, I'm free this weekend and I'm doing a video every other day in this month. I'm gonna go back, the black eyeliner and line back my eye pants up. Forget it, dog. So that's going on the lash line. No, I'm sorry, that's going on the waterline. The waterline is that skin right before the lash. Is there lashes? These are lashes, and this is skin before it. That's your lash line. This one shot come I go line. I don't like this for myself. Huh? I not choose which eye I want. Yeah, drip the twat. I don't like that. Huh? What time is it? Oh my god, I feel like the sun's gonna come up and I'm low hiking. It's 5:59. I'm no there. And I wanted to do content for Instagram. That's gonna blood of the lamb. God, I hate this lash. I can't wait to get my lashes. Look there. God damn it. Bro, I hate these lashes. I'm late as a mom. I cannot. I can't do this. Lean lash put on his cause my impatient. Screw you. Don't nobody want to hear that. I'm late, ho. Nobody want to hear it, ho. Don't nobody want to hear that, ho. When I'm being weird, just laugh. Remember sometimes when I make video, now? Remember sometimes I can't even go. Anytime we try to laugh and giggle. Smile. Smile, must say. Good. Oh my gosh. Hi, I am Royalty. Daira, hi baby. Oh my goodness. Kwani, I haven't heard of in a long time. Kwani, honest, I'm not seeing your comments. I hope it might get message on Instagram. Jody, hi my love. Mumsy Wamsy. You know you're my baby Wabilly. My god. Oh, and on my website as well, as told by lyric.com, you can book my makeup services. I start at $65 US and I go up to $100. I don't think I pass $100. I think the most expensive service is bridal, and I think that's $100. I'm gonna have to double check, but I think that's $100 or $110 or $125 something. So. And traditional makeup starts at $65, as in the basic. That's $65, and anything else, whatever, it goes up. Nice, I love this. For my lips, I want to do brown. I think I want to do brown lips. LA Girl. This is LA Girls GP603 brown. Oh no, that bugo. Jesus God, the old video. The bugo number now. Nobody never did see the bugo. No, I don't want to hear it. The only reason I'm going to do brown is because when I tried to do this color yesterday, like the pink color I wanted to do, girl, it took me forever to blend. And I ain't finna do that right now. I'm late. Go to the other window, the other one. Shall I come at the other window, mama? You guys, the phone fell. Hold on. This is Jazzy Baptiste Beauty, number 3. This is called Queen of Cups. Whenever you see me flip this little highlight out, this is Queen of Cups, Jazzy Baptiste, male owned beauty brand, black owned, nail owned beauty brand. Baby, I got you. Sell out the man them something, man, and sell it out and sell it out, man. So these are they. This is HIT. Okay, you see the subtle difference? It's just subtle. But let's, yeah, now. Not too much? Alright, good. Okay, good. Yeah, not too much. Because I'm going to add another highlight. I love double. I just like using 2 highlights, so I'm not even going to finish my sentence. I'm not about to go to fake hell for you. Okay, then this highlight is from Gael Cosmetics. It's in the color rose gold. Please be rose. Oh, I don't know the color. Anyway, it's in this color. They have 3 colors. I have the rose gold one. I think it's called rose gold or sunset. It's all broken up. Excuse me. I know. I'm sorry. But baby, this is... No, this texture is not about to be it. So all my pictures are going to be like, or I have this new editing thing on this Samsung idiot phone, you guys. It smooths out my videos. I can edit my videos before I upload them to make them smooth, as well as I can edit my pictures obviously to make them smooth and, you know, like texture free. Like here, gone, boof. Like smooth as, whew, baby. Okay, I'm done. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Y'all know I'm rushing. I ain't gonna do this with you. I ain't gonna do it. And I have to take pictures. So you guys want to get ready, then take pictures on the way. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Let me just film a really quick intro while I'm packing up.